The meaning of architecture, that is an interesting question. Architecture in its bare essence means that I'm creating space, I'm creating volume, I'm creating something that is interacting on a city level, on a urban level. I am creating a journey for somebody to navigate through. I am creating a space where emotions will be invoked in the person that's inhabiting, he, she, they, how they inhabit that space. So for me, I don't think there's one simple answer for it. I think what it is it's a multitude of many different things put together, and it's your canvas. You have the opportunity to paint it. You have the opportunity to build something on a flat piece of land, and you have to be very conscious that people are going to be that beautiful journey that you are curating. Those moments that you're creating are all part of the architecture that you're putting forward.